Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is episode 3 of the Dahlia series and I want to show you the update on the flowers. So the first yellow one isn't supposed to look like that. This is Dahlia Embassy and it's supposed to actually look like this picture, but it's still really beautiful flower. You can see the yellow colored and pom-pom variety of all the flowers. This one is Dahlia Sandra. This one isn't supposed to look like that either, but it's most closely related to the picture as well. This just doesn't have the white things on it. And this one is Dahlia Evelyn. This one shouldn't even look like that. It's small flowers and should have some purple touch in the middle, but all flowers are really beautiful, I think. Still, these two were small bulbs, but they have grown the most and the largest out of all the dahlias, to be honest. This one same is Dahlia Sandra again, the pink variety. And look, all of them are looking beautiful. I love the Sandra one because of the flowers. And look at the Embassy again, should be red, but yellow is still beautiful. And all of my pots are looking absolutely amazing. So I'm really happy with all of the results of my dahlias. So I really hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you later in the next video. Bye.